All right, good morning. Good morning. Another good morning. It's on the Tuesday, 23rd of April. Yesterday, we did a very nice analysis over here. And as you can see, this is the analysis for yesterday. We were looking for potential buys if the market should the market have gone above this point. We were looking for potential buys above 23.73, and also we were looking for potential sells below 23.53, which we got very well. Pleased to say, and it's a happy morning finding your orders in profit, having taken profit already. So then we were looking for this push down, right? So we got the push down very well below 23.55 and pushed the market down or to our take profit, which was around 23.27. Got there, hit the profits, and even exited pushing down. So now today we're going to continue with this push down. We're going to see what made the market push from here to this point and hung around to this point and did not continue going down and started consolidating on this point, right? So for any time the market does moves like this and stops at this point, it's because it's using the previous data. That's what we call technical analysis. Use the previous prehistorical data to predict where the market is headed the next month, right? Or the next day, or the next week, or the next hour, the next 15 minutes, depending with the type of trader that you are. Okay. Like I always mention, you can either be a scalper, you can either be a day trader, you can be a position trader or a swing trader. Okay. So here we are, we're looking at the market that went down, hit our take profits, and then continued further to push down and down and down and down. So we have to see what made the market push that down. For us to do that, we have to go to the left. We have to push to the left and see what is the structure that is on left. If we pull to the left, you see, if I draw, let me draw a horizontal ray over here. From this point, that is where, first of all, the market came to. And this point has a historical move that was made over here, that the market was rejected around that same area over here, right? So over there to around this same area over here where the market was coming up, see, those are two areas over there. That is where the market came in. So this is a zone. This is a support zone. This is a support zone, right? So if I do something like this, thick like this, it should be like that, covering that area, okay? And so it means this area between this line and this line is a very hard area for the market to break, right? So that's where the market is right now. So you see the market came down, dipped down, went back up, started doing consolidation, pushed even up to this point, created this high over here, a new high over here, and then it's now pushing down again, and now it wants to push back up. So should it continue going up, then we're going to say this is it has made a double bottom over here, because as you can see, if you look at this very well, it's somehow looking like a letter W, like this, right? So let's see how the market will behave on this. Should it move further, we see where the market will be headed in the next maybe a few hours or in the next day. All right. So analysis for that. For us to do a complete analysis, I want us to remove every other analysis that was there for the one that we did yesterday, and do a fresh new analysis on gold USD. Right. So I'm going to remove everything out of the chart, and then we will start afresh. But again, like we always do, before we go straight to the analysis, we go first of all to the fundamentals and see what are the fundamentals that are there. Right. See over here. This is today's the 23rd of April, and what we have is at 10:15 is the Euro news, the flash PMI, manufacturing and service PMIs, the Germany as well, manufacturing and service PMIs over there. All right, what do we have? The USD. We have over here for the USD at the manufacturing PMIs as well. On the USD, the service and the manufacturing as well. All right, the USD at 4:45 p.m. Right, so we do analysis, and then at 4:45, of course, it's very good to stay out of the market at 4:45. You don't want to get your money or the profit that you would have made to be flushed away at that time. All right, so we do start our analysis very well. There we go. Again, support and resistance. We do price action based on market structure. We're looking for price action based on the market structure. What structure is the market making? That's daily, All right, daily over there. All right, now we're on weekly. We go to see the weekly and the daily share the same highs and lows. All right, so we got here, we have another low forming over here. All right, go for 4 hours. 4 hours over there. So what we're doing is basically we're moving from one time frame to another time frame. This is monthly. This is a monthly resistance, monthly support over here. We go down to weekly. We find the same. They have the same resistance with the monthly, but it has a new low over here. All right. So weekly support. All right. We get a weekly support over there. We go to daily. Daily. We have a couple of other where now based on where the price is, the next area that we're looking for if the market continue pushing down is here. So this is what we're going to call now as the newest daily support that is there in the market. All right, okay, we are at H4 right now. We're on H4. As we look at H4, of course, that's where we are. H4, we see there's new formation of a high over here that was formed over there. And of course, there's this low, but now we have also an area that will draw this. We can put an area like this, because the reason is we cannot really say this is a support until this candle closes, right? And since it hasn't closed yet, so we cannot really call it a support, but we're gonna push this to this point. Sorry, I'm gonna push it to that point over there. And you see the market came down, got rejected from this low over here. And now, so should this market or this candle close bullish, then we're going to certify that this is a support. It's creating a support, and probably it will push back up and probably continue pushing up, or if unable to push up, probably push up and then come back down and break this area. 1 hour. On 1 hour, here we go. We're gonna draw that thing over there like that on 1 hour. Okay, that's where the market is being held as we speak. That's where the market is being held. But also we have another high over here that the market has formed over here, there, like that. All right. So on 1 hour, the price is majorly between these two areas. In 1 hour, the price is in between this place, in between this, in between this. So it's playing in between this resistance and support over here, just doing a consolidation on 1 hour. So what are we looking for? We are looking for, should we get a break? It's the same thing. 1 hour and 30 minutes are giving the same thing, you see? It's just an extended version. So we can say safely, should we break above this point, we would have a buy over here, or say a possible buy above the 23.15 area. The 23.15 area over here. 23.15, not 23.25, 23.15. All right. I would say this is very possible over there. And then also down here, possible sell below the 23, sorry, 22, 22.95. 22.95 area over here. All right. So should we get these two moving like that, then it's going to be very well. Over here we have the take profits, and also here we have the take profits. And so I'm gonna push this over there. Our stop loss will just put it right below that point like that, and then you get the other one, short position. Right. So this is how we are seeing the market right now. Stop loss just above that point, and a push to the down over here. Okay, see? So like that. Like that. All right. So we want possible buys above this point, possible sells below this point. All right. And this is what we're looking for this day, right? So should we get a break below this 22.95 area, we want to push the market 22.75. Should we get a break above this point, we're going to push from 23.15 all the way to 23.33, right? Those are good areas for gold to trade them, right? As in the middle over here, I'm gonna name it for myself as a no trade area for me. That for me does not give me any trade opportunity. So I have to wait for the breakouts below this point and above this point, right? So that is how our market looks like. Today's market, this is what we are looking for, all right? Is what will be based on, and this is what we'll be looking for. Convene again tomorrow. We see how the market went and which side will be in profit and which side will be. But keep an eye on this. Keep an eye above this area. You can take a buy. Above this low, below this low, you can take a sell. Right? Right, guys. Take care. See you and remember to subscribe. Do not overtrade. Risk management always. All right. Bye bye.